I hope my screen is visible to you. I am also audible to you people. If any problem arises, let me know. So let us start our discussion on unit number 3. Already we have completed our unit number 2 in previous lectures, and you people have wrote the IAC on that, right? So 50% syllabus we have completed till now. Let us proceed with section 2nd and unit number 3, right? So we have only 4 units. Out of that, 2 units we have completed, and 50% part almost completed. Unit number 3 name is entrepreneurial project development. The unit name is, and there are certain beats, and if you see the syllabus on your screen, it is little vast. Even though there are 4 units, sizes of units are little larger one. So what we are going to discuss in this particular unit, that we will discuss, and we will proceed today with idea generation. So most of the people till today, I think, listening to me, and they may think like, sir, I don't have any idea, but I want to become an entrepreneur. For those people, this session is very important, because I am going to tell sources and methods of idea generation. So if you don't have any idea, I am going to tell the sources from where you will get idea, and how to generate idea, how many methods people are implementing nowadays. So that methods also I am going to tell to you people, and certain classification of ideas that we will discuss today. So this much part we are going to discuss. Next, maybe next few lectures will spend on creativity. Steps in creativity also we are going to discuss, and innovation and invention. Very thin difference is there. So what is the invention and what is the innovation? Many people treat both the words like same, but there is a certain difference. So that we have to discuss in coming lecture. Then we are going to discuss SWOT analysis. So you people will may think like in resume you have mentioned the strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats. But obviously, it is not personal SWOT analysis. It is obviously related to business. So in enterprise also, SWOT analysis is essential. So you can do the SWOT analysis of person, place, industry. So we are going to focus on the SWOT analysis of industry by assuming certain examples. Then a lean canvas model. So very new term, I think you are hearing in terms of here new bit, that is lean canvas model. Friend, in short, I will tell it is a one-page business plan. So to start any organization, you should have a business plan along with you, right? So that one-page business plan, how to prepare, and it is a very well-known, proven document that we have to discuss in this particular unit. Then we have to prepare the project report. How project report should be prepared? This unit is very, very practical. You have to perform certain tasks like preparation of a lean canvas model, doing SWOT analysis, right? Exercising idea generation method, preparing the project report. Friend, it is a very, very essential document. And I always tell, like, those who will prepare the project report first, that person will start his organization first. I am telling this sentence, and it's true. Those people are putting the things on paper and doing analysis. Those people become successful. Many people sit together and keep chit chatting like, yes, I want to start that business, and those business is very nice. People are doing very nice. I want to copy that business. So obviously a good thing, but it should be on paper. And project report is one of the document which is telling everything related to your business. Getting? So that project report preparation, and most of the time people from bank, especially while sanctioning your loan, they first will ask you, where is your project report? And from that they will believe, yes, this person is having certain caliber, certain potential, and he can succeed in his organization. He can become successful entrepreneur. Then and then only they sanction your loan. Even to attract the various investors, lenders in your organization, project report is very, very essential. And I'm going to teach here how project report should be prepared, how business plan should be prepared, how many elements should be there, right? Then project appraisal. Many people evaluate your report. I have told two names, like maybe your bank person, maybe investors. They go for project appraisal, and how many points they consider, that I also we are going to discuss in this unit. Then Industrial Development Corporation. In Maharashtra, we say Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation. What is the role of that particular corporation? How land allotment is happening in that particular uh, corporation? What is the rule? How many zones are there, MIDC area, and especially in Maharashtra and outside Maharashtra? Getting, so what is the procedure to allot the land, right? Most of the people say so and so person got land in MIDC, but I didn't. So what is the problem? Why some people got and why somebody is not getting? What is the procedure? If you know the procedure, role and rules, then definitely you will also get land from the this IDC point. And one more very important content beyond we are going to discuss, that is the recent government schemes for entrepreneur. So everywhere government is changing certain this what we can say, various schemes are coming newly, like you can say from few years we listen, like Make in Maharashtra, Make in India, right? So beyond that, there are certain schemes for small scale entrepreneurs that also we are going to discuss as a content beyond syllabus. Okay, so this syllabus is there. I need around 10 hours, so you have to listen carefully. Definitely you will become ready to become entrepreneur. So for that purpose, you need to listen this discussion very carefully. And if any problem, you can put your message in chat box regarding any doubt. Friends, these questions may be important for your ISC 2. Okay, so certain questions I am going to tell here. You people have to remember what content should be there. In previous ISC, most of the people made mistake, so they have not understood the question and they have not elaborated accordingly. Okay, so here you have to take care. First question is there: elaborate various sources and methods of idea generation. Various sources and methods of idea generation. Then it is expected 8 mark question will be there. Here you minimum 8 sources you have to elaborate, and minimum 4 methods should be mentioned. Okay, then you people have to write a short note on SWOT analysis. I have seen most of the people write SWOT analysis, individual person SWOT analysis, but it is not expected here. It is expected by assuming any of the organization, you have to do the SWOT analysis of that. Third question is there: brief the content of project report and its significance. This is also 8 mark question. You have to elaborate how many contents are expected in project report. Many people write project report, their final year project report content. It is not expected. Obviously, to start organization, you should prepare one project report. One document you are preparing, that document we are calling as project report. So what should be the content? Obviously, nobody will ask what is the content of it, but it is expected you people have to write the actual content or point in the terms of point and what is expected in that. And project report varies person to person, so same answers will not be there. And its significance, like I have told few significances in introduction. So in coming lecture, we are going to see various significances, including for attracting investors, lenders, for sanctioning loan, getting NOC from that particular place. So project reports are essential. So that explanation it is expected here. Then write a short note on lean canvas model. Basically, this is a 8 mark question, even though it is a short note, but you have to elaborate accordingly for 8 marks. Lean canvas model is basically one diagram, and you people have to write certain points inside it, and there is certain rule. So you can say lean canvas model is a 1-page project report. So how to do that with the help of example, you should elaborate for 8 mark. Then fifth number question is there, elaborate the various business plans. There are so many business plans, including financial, managerial. So you people have to explain. If 8 mark question is there, then 4, 5 at least you should elaborate. And last question is there, appraisal. There are types of various appraisal. You have to elaborate it. Okay, so for IC, these questions are important for you people. Write in next IC carefully. And you people have to write assignment also. Few questions I will give that you have to write. Let us discuss about the title of chapter, and then we'll proceed the remaining importance of chapter, COs of chapter, and then we'll proceed for the actual content, that is idea generation methods and sources. Friend, entrepreneurial project development. So from name itself, you may think like how enterprises should be developed. That content is there. How enterprises should be developed. For that purpose, certain guidelines are required, certain things are required. So especially here, as we have seen, like project report, business plan, lean canvas, right, idea generation. So these are the important things. So here in this particular, from the title you can understand, like one of the action performed by the entrepreneur is the entrepreneurial activity. So entrepreneurial project means the action performed by entrepreneur for new venture. Okay, so in short, you remember the entrepreneurial project development means the person who is taking efforts to establish the enterprises and what things are required for that purpose. Okay, so in short, I have elaborated. So about the central idea of this particular unit, friends, if you see the content, how many things are focused here? First thing is that idea generation, SWOT analysis, and project report preparation. So as far as this idea generation, SWOT analysis is concerned, and project report is concerned, this chapter is important. And from this discussion, at least you will understand like how project report should be prepared, because before preparing the project report, idea should be ready. So to become an entrepreneur, as you know, idea generation is an important aspect, right? Once the idea is generated, then practical shape can be given to the idea and project plan can be prepared. So this chapter is very important as far as the idea generation and project report is concerned. For what purpose this chapter is important? Idea generation and project report. So those people don't have idea yet, they can create idea, and those who are having ready idea with them, they can prepare the project report. And project report is not a one-day task, right? So you should start from today itself. Once your idea is ready, you should start preparing the project report, but you should know the content. Getting? So basically this unit is linked to CO number ME 4152.4 and ME 4152.5. So what are the statements? CO number 4, explain various methods and sources for idea generation. After learning this particular unit, you people will able to explain various methods of idea generation as well as the sources of idea generation. Then develop the feasible project report suitable for individual or group. Next CO. After learning this particular unit, you people will develop your own project report. As I am going to tell you guidelines how project report should be prepared. So I hope I should start with first beat, that is idea generation. And there I would like to explain first sources. Once again, I'm telling those people don't have any idea with them currently. Okay, those people don't have any idea currently. These people should listen this carefully. Definitely, you will start searching your ideas. Everybody can become entrepreneur. Even you can see illiterate people, those who are not able to sign also, they are good small scale entrepreneur, medium scale entrepreneur. Those who are not able to read even Marathi and English also, those people become entrepreneur. and we are the learned people, definitely we should become entrepreneur. But for that purpose, primary requirement is that you should have strong idea. Without idea, things will not be possible, right? Become an entrepreneur will not be possible. Idea will be there, but you have to think which idea is suitable now. So let me say like sanitization things. Before COVID, sanitization liquids and requirements are very less, right? So even sanitizer like alcohol based sanitizers rarely we people have used, right? But due to COVID, that opportunity was there in market and people started producing the sanitizer. So we should understand the requirement, whether the idea is there, looking good, but whether there is a market for this idea, that you have to understand. You will come across so many ideas, but is it feasible for you? Suppose somebody will say, I will produce one helicopter and or yeah, I will design my own aeroplane and I will fabricate my own aeroplane. Quite difficult, right? As a small scale entrepreneur, as a medium scale entrepreneur, quite difficult. Even though idea is good, even you have knowledge, everything, but there are certain difficulties you will face in the beginning, right? For that, as a potential entrepreneur, quite difficult. So usually we recommend to people, you search the idea which is a small scale, and don't neglect yourself like, yeah, I am doing only a small scale. But at the beginning you have to think for small scale only. काही लोकांना वाटेल की मोठं vision बघायला पाहिजे. Yes, true, but at the beginning, how much feasibility you have to check. Somebody may have very good background, no problem, you can think for your own helicopter design, chopper design. Background is also important, financial situation is also important, political support is also important. Many aspects are there. So even beyond syllabus, certain points are there, but we should not think. So remember, idea should be feasible, and everybody know his her limitation, and accordingly you have to design your own idea. Even though I am telling certain sources, you will come across very nice sources, you will get very nice ideas, but feasibility, whether you can do it or not, getting. So it is very important. So keeping that mind, things mind in your mind, let us discuss these sources. Friend, first source is observation. So now you have sit at one place, you are listening to lecture, right? Around you there are so many things. Obviously somebody, maybe so many things means something maybe manufactured by somebody. So obviously physical things are there, somebody has manufactured it, somebody has fabricated it, getting. So it's your observation. Now you will see so many things. Can you produce everything? Definitely no. So for that purpose you have to observe the things, and you have to understand, yes, this thing I have observed, can I fabricate it? Is it possible to fabricate to me? Is there a demand to this particular product? Is there a supply to this product? So you will come across so many things in the environment, getting. So observation should be there. And how you should observe, it's very important. How you should observe, or what others can't see, you should have ability to see that. जिओचं उदाहरण घ्या. टेलिकॉम, त्यांना वाटलं होतं इतका आपण बिझनेस करू, त्यांनी फ्री मध्ये नेट वापरण्यासाठी दिला. आता त्यांचे चार्जेस चेक करा तुम्ही, getting. So that person has imagined like, yes, in coming days something is going to change, digital things are going to be there, getting. So now most of the people are using Jio, right, to use the internet, most of the people. So that person has observed, and fortunately that person got the benefit of COVID. People started using the data. Earlier data usage was very less, but now data usage is increased. But that person has observed the thing like, yes, in digital era there should be some contribution from my side. That person has observed, he has invested, so many shareholders invested there, and they started getting returns. So we should have ability to observe properly, we should observe the things properly, and from that you can generate the ideas. We have seen Ramdas Mane was sitting at one studio. We have seen one video, I think, in after first chapter, we have seen that video. That person was given the message to a youngster like you. He told like if he has given the so many example around him just by sitting at studio, maybe partition material, compartment material, maybe insulation material, AC material. So many examples he has started giving. Means what? He is having ability to observe the things. आपण असं बघतो की विसरून पण जातो, म्हणजे बघून न बघितल्यासारखं करतो आपण मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. मी नेहमी उदाहरण देतो वारीतल्या लोकांचं. आपण वारीमध्ये हजारो लोक बघतो, बरोबर, पण आपण सगळे लक्षात ठेवतो का? सगळे लक्षात राहतात का? बसमध्ये प्रवास करतो आपण, भरपूर लोक, आसपासचे परिसर, निसर्ग बघतो, पण सगळ्या गोष्टी आपल्या लक्षात राहतात का? आपण ठेवतो का? मीन्स वी आर नॉट ऑब्झर्विंग प्रॉपरली. इफ यू आर रिमेंबरिंग, then you are observing properly, and if you are not remembering, means you have not observed. Getting? So my point is that you should observe in such a way that you should remember the things and you should try to implement it, and your observation intention must be there, like yes, what I can produce. Getting? So this is one of the source, friend, I have told to you people. You can think, and it is a very very nice source. Through observation you can have so many ideas, you can start so many products. Just have an exercise of 1 minute. I will not ask you to share with me, but I am telling one exercise, and I know at least you will prepare 5 ideas. So what is the exercise? That listen carefully. This is one of the source, right? You agreed with me, like observation is one of the source for idea generation. Now small exercise of 2 minutes only. What you have to do? Around you there are so many physical things. What you have to do? You have to enlist it. List down, like I am sitting here, I have camera, computer, keyboard, mobile, pen, right? So many things. So around 15-16 products are in front of me. I have to make the list, and you have to find out like which product I can produce. You have to make the tick mark. Okay, you have to make the tick mark. Then after that you have to make the list of things which you can produce. आपल्या आवाक्यात आहेत, I can invest, I can produce, like that. And obviously I expect like some technical things should involve, even non-technical, no problem, but this exercise will be of 2 minutes. Once again I'm repeating the exercise of 2 minutes. What you have to do? You have to observe around you. I am not telling you go outside, or wherever you are sitting, you people have to observe around you in 360-degree, list the component and say like which component I can produce, which component is having good market, like you have to make the tick mark. Getting? मी थोडक्यात काय यातली आयडिया तुमच्यासाठी सुटेबल आहे का शेवटी फक्त हे करायचं, त्याच्या आधी लिस्ट करा. ओके, so I will give 2 minutes for it. Okay, it's 2:28. I will wait up to 2:30, and this keep these things with you, and definitely I can ensure, I have guarantee, like at least you will get one idea out of it. If you have done it, if anybody is interested to put in chat box, that person can put in chat box like, sir, I have observed these things and I think this product I can produce. If no any idea, no problem, you have so many sources further. And this source you can utilize anytime, but revenue sources you have certain limitation that I will explain. Yes, I hope you have done this exercise. Can somebody will put in chat box like, sir, I have seen so many 10 component, 10 products, and I think so and so component I can produce. Can anybody tell in chat box? And even you could not do this exercise now. Okay, so people started responding. I have observed chair, table, rolling pen, stand, pen, earphone. Okay, so it is expected you people, which product you can start producing? Yes, you can produce. You started telling yes, so as a product you can produce the pen stand. Okay, good thing. And not only pen stand with good design. Now here onwards your creativity starts. Pen stand, yes, pen stand you can produce, but how my product will be attractive, how my product will be very cheaper, how my product will be preferable in market. So it's your role, and from that onwards, once idea generated, now you have to shape it so that it will be acceptable in market. Getting, obviously product is there, you have seen in front of you. Yes, you can rolling feature, cheap price. Yes, here onwards you have to shape it. Getting, and even though product is very smaller, no problem. Good. People started responding. I am happy. So now here onwards, it's your regular activity. Wherever you will go, observe the things. Many times you visit the industries and you observe many components, you observe many machineries. Observation is very important, and your observation should focus to become entrepreneur. Getting, so in this way, if everybody will start thinking, it's your job. Just I have given guidelines. It's your role. It's your job, like how to create idea, how to observe the idea, and how to shape it, and how it should be materialized, and how enterprise should be started. So like you have seen the this chair. So there are so many types of chair. Suppose you will think like for orphan people, you want to start design one chair. Good thing. For by considering various ergonomic aspects, you will design your own chair, and people will accept it. Like those who are having back pain, so for them you have designed one specific chair. You have considered so many ergonomics, and you have designed, and people started accepting like 10,000 cost of chair is there, but back pain will not be there. Possible things are there, right? So you can see most of the many things, many chairs, but most of the time when we sit, we didn't find any comfort, right? So you design your own chair where people are facing the problem. Nowadays people are doing work from home, continuously they are sitting. So how your chair, your product should be innovative. Even though this is idea, it should be acceptable by people. It should be acceptable, and there should be a need of it. That care you have to take. Getting? So I hope few people started responding. Similar remaining people also, even though you have not shared, this exercise you have to do daily. And if you do for only 1 month, definitely you will observe so many ideas, and you will say like, yes, it is required in market, I should produce it. Okay, this is a very important source, friend, from where you will get idea. I hope you agreed with me regarding this. Then second source is their market characteristics. Market characteristics are very important, friend. Demand and supply. Demand and supply, if you understand, for that purpose you should go for the market survey. Maybe you can visit physically, you can do from internet, you can refer somebody's market research, and you can study those and decide it. So market characteristic is one of the important source where you will get your idea. When you visit market, when you see the things in market, you will understand so and so product is having so much demand, but supply is not there. Means you have to understand this product I can produce. I am telling only product, even though it is, if it is a service, then also it will be okay. Try to understand what I am telling. Don't focus only on this product. We are getting internet facility, right? Whether it is a product, it is a service basically, right? It is not physical product, but it is a service. For that also you can think. So you have to understand the market characteristic, what is the demand and supply. If supply is too much and demand is very less, don't go for that product, even though it is innovative, even though it is under your control, you can produce it, even though you should not go there. Getting? So you will say after 2 years, there will be the demand for so and so thing. No, you have to understand the current thing. Suppose you are starting organization today, you have to understand the situation, and you have to, you should be a visionary. If I start product, then how many years it will work like that? Getting? So you people have to understand this basic thing. So market characteristics. So I have told only two things in market characteristics, that is a demand and supply. And you will say, who will tell to you what is the demand, what is supply? You are the part of market. You start from yourself. Market survey should start from yourself only, because you are also customer, you are part of society, you are part of market. So you start from yourself and understand whether it is required, whether there will be the market, whether I can earn, whether people will demand. And nowadays, due to globalization, you should not be limited to your area only. Like in Pune, there is no requirement, then I will not produce. You have to think worldwide. And due to this internet era, everything is available, right? So you have to understand in Gulf country, what is the requirement, what they need, which kind of food they expect, which kind of quality food they expect, how should be packing should be done. You have to understand worldwide for a certain thing, there is a huge demand. So you have to understand. Getting? So this is the one thing. And you people have to study for it. Those people, when people are doing very, searching very nice ideas, no, they have very strong study. Without study, people are not starting any organization, that you have to understand. आलं मनात म्हणून केलं असं नाही चालत. Strong study should be there, then success rate will increase. Otherwise, without study, without market characteristics, if you start producing product, just you think like that, or आवाक्यात होतं, मला लोकांनी support केला, you have to understand, because without market, there is no value to your product. One more thing I want to tell, it is a very nice source, friend, that is a conversion of waste into wealth. Conversion of waste into wealth. This is a very nice source. And even though here, if you fail now, you will have very less loss. Do you know why? Because whatever raw material you are using, it is a waste. If things are waste, means what? It is cheaply available. Even though if you will purchase, even though you will process there, loss will be very less, because basic thing, raw material which you have purchased, it is having low cost. And another aspect you have to understand, that if you are producing product from waste, means what? Your product will be cheaply available. And if things are available cheaply, people will purchase it. Simple thing, right? So that's why I'm telling, if you choose this idea, even though if you will fail, there is no big loss. And success rate will also getting increased. Why? Because your product is cheaply available in market, and you will purchase it. People will purchase it. So can somebody will tell the list in chat box, like, sir, so and so product is I can produce from waste. I generally recommend to potential entrepreneur like you, those who don't have any money. So I generally recommend them, like, why you are not thinking idea for waste into wealth? think any waste material and how you can convert that waste into wealth. Many people say like it is cheaper, like means waste means almost not used product and I have to convert it. Quite difficult. People will laugh on me. सोनं पण रॉ मटेरियल म्हणून आणतात काय लोक, राईट? ते वेस्ट नाहीये आणि त्याला कन्वर्ट करतात प्रोडक्ट मध्ये. ते त्यांच्या दृष्टीने ते वेस्ट नाही, पण इवन दो इट इज रॉ मटेरियल, इट इज कॉस्टली. I am asking you people to choose the raw material, it's waste almost. Any idea is there in anybody's mind? Sir, असं product आहे and if I can convert it and how I should convert it. Any guess, anything in anybody's mind, like sir, so and so waste? So especially farm waste you can observe. So I have seen most of the researchers are working on the composite material, natural composite material. So farm wastes are there. So people are trying to convert. Most of the farmer, if you see, they burn their waste material in farm, right? You have seen. But many researchers started producing the natural fibers, natural composites from that. So this is one of the waste, right? If people are burning, farmers are burning the things in farm, waste material, why we should not convert it into certain important things? So compare it. So one example I have told. In Kokon area, so those who are producing this brain oil, आपल्या तांदळाच्या याच्यापासून बनवलेलं तांदळाच्या टरफलापासून काही लोक तेल बनवायला लागले. So this is one of the example, waste into wealth. So you should focus on this particular source. Even though plastic, right? So it is almost waste, right? So that waste we can convert into wealth, like by you can say like plastic. You can especially there are two types of plastic: thermo plastic, right, and thermosetting material. Setting plastic, setting plastic. So you should choose appropriate material and you should convert that plastic into maybe toys, maybe required accessories required in home. So this is also one of the idea, like waste into wealth. But you may have seen like if there is a very thin plastic bag, carry bags are there, we cannot convert, right? If you try to melt it, it is getting burned. That's why government has started like certain micron thickness is defined. तेवढ्या मायक्रॉनच्या वरच्या साइजेस, कारण ते आपण वितळू शकतो आणि त्याच्यापासून प्रोडक्ट बनवू शकतो. So waste into wealth. Anything, anybody is having any idea in their mind? Anyone else? अशी काय आयडिया आहे काय एखाद्याकडे किंवा पाहिले थ्रू ऑब्झर्वेशन? So and so waste is there, from that I can convert the things, I can convert the products, and I can have earn the wealth. If no, try to search it. Definitely there is a success rate. Success rate is good. Getting. Then next source is there, that is adoption of technology. Adoption of technology. What is the meaning of it? Already existing technology, you have to adapt it. Actually, you can say like BARC, ISRO, and many research organizations, like including research center like us. So many projects are there. Do you know, many people do projects as an academic part, as a research part, and later on they forget it. Laboratory level, that research is very good. Maybe patents are filed, right? And at laboratory level, the people, researchers have made that research success. Now, why you should not adopt it? Even in IITs, NITs, so many researchers, especially in MTech and PhD, postdoctorate, people go for nice projects. And after that, they join a good organization and they start their career. They forget the previous part. Do you know it happens? And 90% these things are happening. Getting? So why you should not adopt this technology? Why you should not use this technology readily available? Because your time will save. You need not to invest money on the research. If things are already proven at laboratory level, why you should not think to adopt that technology? Getting? So can we say like this is one of the source readily available? Now you will say how to catch such ideas. Quite difficult, right? Because everybody has their own research. Actually, you see the research, even though if you see the research papers and through that you will get all the details. So the research papers, academicians, so many people write the research paper. Obviously, I am not agree like every researcher is having very good product and all this. Leave it. But product based research those people have done, why you should not adopt it? It is a very nice source, and immediately you can start your organization by just learning what that person has done. Most of the time you can make partner to him also, right? If that person is having very nice idea. Getting? So this is one of the source. Then socio-economic changes. This is also one of the source. You will say how? If any area socio-economic changes are happening in that particular area, you have to understand in that area what things are required. Suppose you see like in metro cities, you have to understand what is going on. Obviously, that socio-economic changes are happening in that particular area. What you have to do? Just you have to understand what things are required there. This is also one of the good source. Even trade fairs also. We observe various trade fairs in around Maharashtra. In whole India, there are so many trade fairs are happening. People present their idea. Getting? And beyond that, I want to tell, most of the time in trade fair, if somebody is having patented product or licensed things with him, then quite difficult to copy. But similar thing you can produce. But I will tell, if patent is there, you have to visit the patent website, and you people have to understand 20 years, you have to find out the 20 years back old patent. Do you know why? Because after 20 years, that person or that patent becomes the public. Everybody can use it. This is a rule that you might be knowing. So what you have to do? Patented product you have to search through website. Granted patent you have to search, but you have to see the when it is granted. And from that 20 years, you have to see ahead. You will say 20 years old product, if I start producing, who will purchase it? Try to understand, you have to do the reverse engineering, you people have to make the modification in it, and then you people have to produce it. In previous chapter, we have seen import substitution and reverse engineering, that good relation is there, that we have seen. So that's why I'm telling, visit the patent websites, outdated patent, even disposed patent also you can see. Patent is not granted means you should not say like it is a useless thing. There are list of this disposed patents also, those who didn't get any grant. Patent is not granted. So such a product also you can see, and you can start producing. If it is not granted means you have right to produce that. Getting? So trade fairs and patent website is one of the good source of idea generation. Then trade and professional journal. Trade and professional journal. आपल्या लायब्ररीमध्ये एक जर्नल येतं. I think after 15 days, monthly I think. Monthly there is a journal. Can somebody tell me the name of that journal? Especially related to business. Anybody has seen that journal? It's very nice journal. Actually, I read regularly. Can somebody will put in chat box name of that journal? Obviously, it is in Marathi. Instead of journal, you can say magazine. It's basically magazine, not a journal. Anybody is knowing the name of it? Udyojak is the name of that particular magazine. So many people have written the views. So many people have mentioned the ideas. So many people have mentioned the coming era, what will be the required things. So many people, successful entrepreneurs, are putting their views in that particular journal, and collectively it is available every month. They are releasing after every month. Udyojak is the name. Whenever you will get time, please visit, read that magazine. Even older issues are also available. You can go through it. So various journals, various professional magazines, you people have to go through, and you have to find the ideas. Very nice source of idea generation. And last one is that publication of government departments. Government departments also publishing various journals, various reports, especially. So this is also one of the source. Ministry of Corporate Affairs also doing literature, the survey specifically, and they are putting their views. What product should be produced, आणि काय product आपल्या small scale साठी पण reserve ठेवलेले आहेत. So they give the list of it. Various concessions also they give through that particular publication. So like that, so many sources are available to generate idea. Friend, these are the ways to generate the ideas. Most of the people think like I will get settled in very good software company, but friend, there also you have to generate the ideas. Getting? You people have to develop your own idea. You have to give your idea to your organization. You have to make the team. You have to produce the product. You have to make the marketing, right? So even though you will become an employee of any of the organization, you people have to do this role in that organization. And for that purpose, these sources are definitely useful to you. Agreed? Is there any doubt in this particular bit, idea generation sources? If no, I want to tell the methods. Any doubt in this particular sources? Friend, refer these sources and try to generate your ideas. And here onwards, you should not believe on somebody like कोणतरी idea देईल मला आणि मग मी idea बनवेल आणि मग मी उद्योजक होईल. No, you people have to refer these sources. You have to study, you have to observe, you have to introspect, and you have to start, you have to design, you have to develop your idea. Got it? Should we proceed? Let us proceed. I think there is no any doubt. Now methods. There are so many methods people are used professionally, and these methods are very much helpful to generate idea. Methods means to generate idea, certain methods should be followed. It is not like that source is available and then you should use that source and you should prepare the idea. Certain methods should be followed. Specifically in corporate, these methods people are preferring. So let us start with first method, that is environmental scanning. This is a very well-known proven method of idea generation. Here, you people have to go through literature. Obviously, you should not read each and every page. Suppose there is a 1000-page report of government. It is not like that. You should go through all the report. You should go through word-to-word reading. Suppose Maharashtra government has published one document. Karnataka government has published one document, and suppose you have 50,000 reports of maybe 5-6 states in India. Is it possible to go through each and every page and read everything? So just overlooking that literature, overlooking that particular data is called as an environmental scanning. What is the environmental scanning? You will say like going in environment and scanning the things. No, one of the method is there where just you have to overlook the things. Suppose you went through index. Suppose there are 10 pages index. You have to see the few pointers relevant to you, and you have to note the page number. Like on 200 page number, there is so and so details given. You have to see that. पानं चाळणे म्हणतो ना आपण, पानं चाळायचे एखाद्या पुस्तकाचे. So same method is there, environmental scanning. But this method is having limitation. You people have to search so much data. 1000 पुस्तक, 1000 पानाचं पुस्तक, 2000 पानाचं पुस्तक, quite difficult. But this method is very helpful to generate the ideas. This method, right? Especially in industries, people are preferring such kind of methods in industry. So many people are preferring this. So whatever methods I am telling in corporate, all people are implementing it. Then second method is there, that is brainstorming. काय म्हणायचं, brainstorming आपण म्हणतो, नेहमी वापरतो, brainstorming करूया. So in brainstorming, minimum 7 to 14 people are required. So this is method, this is a criteria. People should, more than one person should be there. And criticism is not allowed in brainstorming. Brainstorming मध्ये आपण एखाद्याला कदाचित निग्लेक्ट पण करतो, इग्नोर करतो. But it is not there. It is not expected. In this method, everybody is allowed to talk. Everybody is allowed to put his her thought. Right, and criticism is not allowed. Means we should not ignore anybody's idea. If somebody is telling, in industry, this method is very well known. People to sit together and they brainstorm it, and out of that they generate the idea. So this is very nice method people implement in the industry. Then creativity and creative problem solving. It's a very simple method. In industry, those people are not able to talk. Those people are not able to face the mob. So for them, this method is very nice. What is that method? Here people are asked to write on paper. Whatever your idea, whatever your thought is there, you are expected to write. And you have to submit to your boss or your superior. And you have to tell this is so and so idea. Next method is there, focus group. Focus group, name itself is telling somebody is focusing on you. So kind of brainstorming is there. But here in this method, group of people are asked a few questions. One person is expected to ask questions to people, and those who want to generate idea, these people should focus there. Especially TV interview and so many channel interviews. People, if you want to get the information from that person, you have to focus, right? So same thing is there in industry. People follow. They ask question to their customer, and one leader focus on the people what they say, and they try to note, and out of that they generate the idea. So it is a very nice method. Basically customers are required here. So similarly, wish list is there. Wish list means what your customer is wishing, what customer is expecting. So you have to ask that list, ask the demand of your customer. You have to ask them and you have to list it. And customer is demanding means obviously it is an idea for you, right? In corporate, this method is also very well known. Focus group and wish list are basically customer oriented methods. Next one is a market research, kind of market survey. Demand and understanding demand and supply, going in market, discussing with customers and getting the data. This is also one of the method, a very good method. Campaign. So campaign आपण बघतो बरेचसे campaign असतात organizationचे. So there may be kind of competition. They ask to their collect their employees and ask to design logo, ask to design taglines. For that purpose, this method is very, very nice. Ideal scenario. Ideal scenario means what? You people have to imagine ideal problem and for that ideal solution. You will say imaginary problem, imaginary solution. भविष्यामध्ये सोलार व्हेइकल येतील. मागच्या 10 वर्षापूर्वी जर कोणी म्हणलं असेल त्याला सोल्युशन काय असेल त्या व्यक्तीने दिला असेल, बट नाव इट बिकम प्रॅक्टिकल. गेटिंग iPhone Android phone, if somebody may have thought like 20 years back, so that time that may be the ideal scenario. That person has used the ideal scenario method. Introspection is kind of meditation thing. You have to introspect what I can produce. माझ्यात काय कला आहेत, माझ्याकडे काय कॅपॅसिटीज आहेत. So like kind of meditation, you have to sit at one place lonely and you have to think like which option is best for me. And last one is a catch ball. Very simple method. Catch ball means here also it is expected 4 or 5 people must be there. Those people are not able to talk. They should write on sheet, but you have to pass that sheet to another person. Another person must add things in it. बघा कॅच बॉल मेथड कशी आहे. एकाने चिठ्ठी लिहायची, दुसऱ्याकडे द्यायची. That person should add something in it. That sheet again passed to third person. That person should add it. In this way, you should pass the cheat and everybody should contribute, and that idea should become a foolproof. So this is one of the method. So friends, these are the very well-known methods people are using in industry. Especially in corporate, most of the methods are very popular, and in this way they generate the ideas. Okay, so let us stop here. If any doubt is there, you can ask. Otherwise, by putting your roll number, you can leave the meeting. Thank you very much.